Good morning. Welcome to a brand new vlog. I am excited. In case you're new to this channel, my name is Julie Gamain. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate the gesture. It's raining outside, so I want to eat some fruit. I have some fruit over here. I don't even know if they are ripe or not because I can't tell if the passion fruit is ripe. And then later we're going out with my friend. She's planning, she's moving into this place. Let me go shoot for a client. In case you watch me on this channel and you wonder apart from content, because of course my channel is not monetized, what does she do? I am a videographer. Professionally, I'm a journalist. I'm a videographer, photographer, and social media manager. I mostly manage YouTube content. So I shoot, edit, and post. So sweet. So before I leave, I have to carry a glass of juice. So let me serve it. So today I'm not going to the gym, but I already worked out in the house. I have things when I work out in the house. But tomorrow, it's a sure bet I'll hit the gym. Now let's go out and see that house. I've promised you a free house tour. Before I forget, you get into the kitchen straight. Milango inifuati. Yes, good. Straight to the kitchen. The cabinets are over there. See the lights over here. There's another one here for the dining area. The room is quite spacious. The balcony. They're renovating a bit, so that's why it's like this. The most perfect wardrobe I've ever seen, because I like it. I like the compartments to be able to stock up, to put jeans, sweatpants, a lot. It's just nice. I just love it. Then this is for the coats, which is beautiful. I love these drawers. There's so many, quite many. Long coats and dresses. Long coats and dresses. And then up there, maybe now the suitcases, if they're not so big. I love the bedroom. This wardrobe is way too beautiful. Okay, I know you guys can hear a lot of noise, but I'm sorry for that. Let's go to the bathroom. This is very small, but it's okay. We can work with this. Yeah. Here is the bathroom. Yeah, this is newer. Oh, there's my gorgeous self. Yeah. Oh, perfect. I have really loved the wardrobe. And the way they are designed are so beautiful, spacious, very nice. So let me go to my house because I have to go to a client who lives in a few. Oh guys, I'm back. I left her in that house. She's talking to her boyfriend. Actually, I'm hungry. I've not had anything to eat. I woke up like 45 minutes ago. I only had the passion fruit you guys told me eat before I left, and the juice. My glass is back empty. So we'll make some bread and some avocado I have over here. Eat Tuende kwa client, sendo.
I never see the lights off. They get me overdrive. Fancy on a fast car. This is how you make me feel. Don't stress me now. I got the overdose. I'm feeling it in my bones. And if you say that I'm lying to you, these habits are killing me. I wish I could fall asleep. The problem is you. Oh, I got the overdose.
That is actually my fitness era is so amazing. Here's what happened. So I wake up every day at 5:50. I work out. Okay, my head is so bad. So which I can do either in the house. To the gym, I usually prefer going during the day because in the morning, so many men in the gym. I don't like that. Okay, you should have a ladies and a men's gym. But it is what like it is well. Hey, really, I don't even want to think much about it. Yeah, let me tell you, I love this avocado, blue bandish, red. See, I could put the light in there. That's perfect. So I place this on top. This is a quarter avocado. Yes. Place this and place. I know it will remove my lip gloss. Then have this one. I only take 3 slices of bread, which is more than enough. And I'm too hungry for. But even the last one, just force myself to eat. So because I don't want to waste. And just choose 3. I like me forcing myself to eat. Let me show you how I'm arranging them. Actually, let me tell you, this is a vlog, so of course we're gonna be moving things around like no man's business. Yes, that's how I'm arranging them. Small pieces everywhere, which is nice, which I love. Perfect. So this one, since it's a spoon, we perform. Yes, and I don't have time to cook tea, my friend. I really want me to be that. Honey. I think this will be one vlog. I know you guys think I eat a lot. Honestly, I'm motivated to eat because I'm vlogging. Yeah? Which is a good thing because I'm accountable to my tummy. I think this avocado is sweet. Mwafanya. Karibu niwalike tukule. Okay, naona niingia TikTok live. Acha niende sema guys.
All the barricades, I wanna know why they hold me back. Need a miracle to break me through, but I won't get that. If I wasn't real one time, then I could save me from turning around, lift me off the ground, and one day.
Trying to see TikTok app. No, but I'll show you outfit of the day. You'll see it on the list. guys, I am going to a client's place to shoot for her. So I will see you later. Yeah, so hope you are enjoying the vlog. Oh, I have added a lot of weight. Lift yangu imefika guys. Bye.
If you wanna be a wonder, baby, come and show it. Tell me what you feel in your heart and your soul. There's nothing I would take for granted. With me, we'll make it through. Takes two hearts to fix heartbreak. We grew apart, I made a mistake, but I'll try to make it up to you, my darling. Ooh.
I wanna be a real wonder. Heaven lifts me up from us.
Guys, we're done shopping. We're not going to unpack when we get to the house. Oh, okay. If you guys see the car that came to pick us, it's an Uber. Oh, no, you got image. It's a Voxy. I Uber, guys. Looks like tumekuja na driver. We're manifesting, amen. Dear future husband, I need a big car and a driver. See, because there's no way I'm gonna push
Hi
you
guys,
kids.
so we're done with shopping and now we're headed home. Stay tuned and unpack with me.
Content creators in one car, so itabidi muelewe, by the way. Yeah.
Otherwise mmeshinda salama.
Yes, tumeshinda kwa labda wewe.
Hata mimi niko sambamba, nashukuru.
Wish that I could be somehow stronger now,
So I can find a way out of pain inside me. Never be afraid of the fate that finds me. Wish that I could be stronger.
Hi guys, we are back home. We are unpacking. Then we get to the house. And I think I'm done with this vlog. I'll just cook dinner and I'm done. Yeah, bye guys. Guys, I just finished editing. Here it is exporting. Yeah, I'm a happy girl. My friend cooked. Here is some egg. Kisi cooked eggs. And some spinach and avocado. Then I serve ugali. Where is that ugali? Yes, the ugali is over here. I'm not gonna finish all this. That sufria is giving. This dinner is everything. I don't know the last time I had spinach like this. And they're so beautiful, by the way. And these eggs, my friend cooked eggs the way my brother does. I need to send him a photo. Ndasikia tu vibaya.
Stronger, so I can be a real wonder.
Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.